Hello, 9 raised to power x times 9 raised to power x is equal to 90. Find x. In indices, if you have a times a, this is the same thing as saying a raised to power 1 times a raised to power 1. And by indices, this is simply a raised to power 1 plus 1, which will give us a raised to power 2. In general, we would have a raised to power m times a raised to power m to give us a raised to power m plus m, which will give us a raised to power 2m. So this is 9 raised to power x times 9 raised to power x. This is going to give us 9 raised to power x plus x is equal to 90. So we just have 9 raised to power 2x is equal to 90. So this is our new equation. And from here, we want to solve for x. I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides of this equation. Log 9 raised to power 2x is equal to log 90. By logarithm, log p raised to power a will give us a log p. So this equation becomes 2x log 9 is equal to log 90. Divide both sides by log 9. This would divide this. Then we would have 2x is equal to log 9. Log 90 divided by log 9. This implies that 2x is equal to log 90. I can rewrite as 9 times 10. Then divided by log 9. This implies that 2x is equal to, one can rewrite this as log 9 plus log 10 by law of logarithm, then divided by log 9. Therefore, 2x becomes log 9 divided by log 9 plus log 10 divided by log 9. Log 9 divided by log 9 here is 1. Therefore, 2x is equal to 1 plus log 10 divided by log 9. This implies that 2x is equal to 1. We can separate this again into log. 10 itself is 2 times 5. So this becomes log 2 times 5. And 9 is 3 raised to power 2. Therefore, this equation becomes 2x is equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 all divided by log 3 squared will now be 2 log 3. This implies 2x is now equal to 1 plus, so we have log 2 divided by 2 log 3 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 3. So 2x becomes 1 plus, I'll write this as 1 over 2 into log 2 divided by log 3. And then this also will be 1 over 2 into log 5 divided by log 3. Both expressions in the brackets are of the form log A divided by log B, which by logarithm will give us log A base B. This implies that 2x is now equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 3. And now to finally solve for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So that will be all of this divided by 2. This divides this. So x becomes 1 divided by 2, 1 over 2. 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 divided by 2 becomes 1 over 4 log 2 divided by 3. Then 1 over 2 log 5 divided by 3 becomes 1 over 4 log 5 divided by 3. And this will be our final answer. Let us do a quick check to confirm that this solution is correct. We're going to substitute this into the given question. 9 raised to power x times 9 raised to power x is 90. This is 9 raised to power 2x equals to 90. To substitute, we're now going to have 9 raised to power 2 into 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 log 2 base 3 plus 1 over 4 log 5 base 3 and this is supposed to give us 90. If I multiply out all of this, we'll be left with 9 raised to power 1 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 3 equal to 90. By indices, we can separate these powers using a raised to power m plus n equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. This would then give us 9 raised to power 1 times 9 raised to power 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 times 9 raised to power 1 over 2 log 5 base 3 is equal to 90. This implies 9 times, this is going to be square root of 9 raised to power log 2 base 3 times square root of 9 raised to power log 5 base 3 is equal to 90. So this is 9 times square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 raised to power log 2 base 3. Here also we have 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 is equal to 90. These two expressions are of the form a raised to power log m base a. By logarithm, this is simply m. So these two will be 2 and 5 respectively, giving us 9 times 2 times 5 is equal to 90. 9 times 2 times 5, 2 times 5 is 10, times 9 is equal to 90, and 9 times 10 is 90, equal to 90. Therefore, our solution for x is correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.